The Great Hall stood for over a decade on Soundstage B, which is just across the car park in our working studio side, before we brought it here, piece by very precious piece, for you all to enjoy in a tour today. Now, just like it was during production, everything you see here is ready for filming. So if you haven't already, take out those cameras and unleash your inner Colin Creevy. Every single photo you take will look absolutely perfect, even without the flash. Now I'm going to give you all just a few moments to explore this fantastic set. We'll meet again by the fireplace in the middle of the room, so I can give you some more information about the Great Hall. And if you do make your way up towards the top of the Great Hall and towards the Goblet of Fire, please do not cross over the blue H line you can see drawn on the floor around the goblet. You can see exactly what happened to the Weasley twins when they did so without permission, and we tend to see the same thing happen to any of you. But now then everybody, I am sure in the few short moments that we've already spent in the Great Hall, you may have noticed some of the incredible details you may not have seen on the screen. Some of my personal favourites include the murals that you can see on the front and the back walls. They were hand-painted there by our scenic artists at the start of production of the very first film, and they've been left there to age naturally.